You have a vision, but getting it off the ground feels daunting. In Drupal CMS 2, new purpose-built templates package powerful features with a polished look that's ready to customize. Nonprofits, we've got your cause covered. Show off your projects in the best possible light. Educators, your campus is ready for admissions. Stand out in a crowded market with clear information and a seamless enrollment process. Event organizers, get the word out and ensure your message lands. Health providers, build trust. Communicate with patients clearly and reliably. Government, help citizens navigate taxes, find resources, and complete key tasks instantly. SaaS companies, present your services professionally and accelerate your sales. Browse site templates on marketplace.drupal.org. Choose from free or premium options, all of which connect you directly with the makers if you need expert support. Install a site template, including the first premium option, Meridian, directly from Drupal CMS. While premium ones offer more visual flexibility and product support, all templates are built on Drupal's open source foundation. But easy doesn't mean limited. Other tools hit the ceiling fast. Drupal CMS 2 is different. Harness the full power of Drupal, structured content, advanced workflows, and total accountability. Create and customize pages at lightning speed with Drupal Canvas. Rely on rock-solid security to protect your brand. Use expert-picked Drupal add-ons included for an easy start. Extend with use case-specific suggested add-ons or install any of more than 10,000 extensions directly from the UI. An open-source, infinitely extensible foundation for your vision. Drupal CMS 2, easier than ever to start, impossible to outgrow.